Hope they had good lives. This is my favorite little spot to sit. Right. Mama brought you to the beach. Mama brought you to the beach. Yeah, Mama brought you to the beach. You happy? Yeah, you happy, Lil? Happy? Yeah, because Mama brought you to the beach. Yeah, happy. You having fun? Are you having fun? You having fun, baby? It's fun? That's good. That's good, Lil. Good job. Good girl. Lily, you are a good girl. You are such a good girl. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. Mama loves you and you're a good girl. You did a good job. You did a good job. See, you did a good job, my darling. I'm glad we came down here today, love. It's a nice day. It's a nice day at the beach, isn't it, love? I'm glad we came down here today. Yeah. You're too? You are too? Yeah. That's good. Look at the waves out there. It's a good thing we sat on this side because it's windy on the other side at the beach, and this is a really quiet spot. Whenever I come here, it's free. That's a seagull and a crow. Whenever I come here, this spot is always free. So I always sit here and fill it up. So this, right now, it's about between 12 and 12:30 in the early afternoon, and this tide is out, so people are able to walk over there onto that land, which I have never been to. You see the waves in the distance? Taken by the wind, and they've got white caps. Those white foamy parts on top are called the white caps. And when you see white caps, you know that it's windy. You shouldn't go swimming because it's too rough. And when it has white caps, it sometimes has an undertow, which means that the water is moving in all kinds of different directions. And it can be dangerous for swimming. So we don't swim on white caps. And with those white caps, if we go over to a place like this, we're not going swimming today. The reason we're not going swimming is because there are barnacles all over the rocks down there. And they are not comfortable to walk on. You hear the crunching underfoot, and I know that there's little mollusks and things that live on those rocks. So I don't like to walk on those rocks because I don't want to hurt anything or kill anything with my footsteps. Lily, I think, is okay because she's just got little soft pads. I think it's okay. I hope it's okay. But all the dogs, they run down there anyway. Across the rocks. So she's down there. Apparently it goes down a little steeper because she's disappeared behind the rocks. There she is. There she is. She's gonna come back now. She never goes too far. She always likes to check in. She's a good girl. There she is! There she is! Hello! There she is! Good girl! How was it? Was it? Oh my goodness, it's a big shake, love. How was it, love? Was it good? Was it good, love? Is it fun, love? She'll probably go again. She always just comes back to check on me. It's very soothing to be here. It's very calming. Nature is so nurturing. Takes care of us. Look, the crow came to say hello. Oh, there goes Lil. She's gonna go see what those other dogs are doing. I'm glad she has a sense of confidence and certainty. That nice lady waved back as I waved. Meanwhile, I was waving at my dog. I wonder how many people wave at their dog. I always wave at my dog. Aw, she's gonna say hi to that nice lady. Oh, she's Lily! No name, she said. She didn't hear me. Oh, look, there's a bird that came. Here she comes. There she is. Was that fun, Lil? Was that fun, Lil? Yeah, you want to do it again? It's fun? Okay, let's have a little roll in the seaweed. It's so beautiful. Look at the blue sky. It's so nice today. This is May 2021, and the temperature is about 17, 18 degrees today. And I've got shorts on. When I was a little girl, and my mom would be at work on a May or an April or June day, I would call her, because I always had to call her if I wanted to wear shorts. So I'd call her at work, and I would say, Mom, I want to wear shorts today. And she'd say, check the temperature outside and tell me what it says. And I would check it, and I would say maybe 16 or 17 degrees, and she would say, okay, as long as it's 15 degrees Celsius, you can wear shorts. So I'd say, yes it is, Mom, and then I'd change from my pants to my shorts for the afternoon, because usually in the morning it was cooler, so I'd wear pants to school even on those April, May, sometimes even June days. And then I'd come home for lunch and walk home. It wasn't too far from the school. And then it would be hot. It would be starting to get warm, especially I'd feel it on the way walking home. They let us out of school at 10 to 12, and I'd be home by 12, and I'd have to be back by 1. So I'd come home and I'd pick up the phone and call my mom and say, Mom, I'm home for lunch now, and I'd like to wear shorts. And she would say, check the temperature. And I would tell her what it said, and then she'd say, okay, you can wear shorts today. So I'd go up to my room and I'd pick a pair of shorts, and I would wear them for the afternoon. And I was always warm enough. It was always a good decision on my part, because it would be too hot otherwise. Maybe that lady is probably a dog walker, because she's got 4 different dogs. Checking her out. Yeah, she's shedding. She's shedding her winter coat. She's been shedding everywhere. We have to vacuum twice as often now, and I take her into the backyard. And I clean off her multiple layers of coat that's coming off of her. She's a very happy girl. She likes mother figures, mom types. I don't like to walk over those stones and mollusks on the rock because I don't want to crush any little creatures that are living there. So I'm not going to be walking down there. I suppose there's a way to get down there. It doesn't involve walking over them. Like those ladies down there, I think, walked over the stone, which is a good idea. I just feel like sitting here against this log, though. Good job, Lil. Sit. Okay, should we turn the camera off and have a little bit of a relaxation? Okay.